Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Lucas and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Wood County in northwestern Ohio, southwestern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Liberty Center, or near Napoleon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: public and radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to the...
Oh, not again. This happens all the time, doesn't it?
Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Henry, and Putnam. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, south central Henry County in northwestern Ohio, northern Putnam County in west central Ohio, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Continental Oregon, 13 miles west of Ottawa, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. The storm has a history of producing multiple destructive tornadoes. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Glandorf around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Leipzig and Holgate around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include North Creek, West Leipzig, Prentice, Pleasant Bend, Gallup, Stanley, New Bavaria, Kieferville, Wisterman, and Miller City. Urgent